What's up, YouTube? So my overhead garage door is now working, not opening. The motor is sounding. There's sound on the motor. So I thought it was the spring, but the spring is intact. I thought it was the cable on the side, but the cable on the side is okay. And there's no, I'm sorry for the cobwebs. And there's nothing that's obstructing the rails. So further investigation, when I went up, dang, the belt disintegrates. So what I did, I went straight to Lowe's, and they don't sell just the belt itself. It's an extension. It's an extension kit that includes this and the belt. So we're gonna replace it. Looks pretty simple, straightforward. There's identical metal hook there. And then just loosen this, remove the belt, and replace this. Easy fix. Let's start releasing the old belt. You can spin it without any tools. And simply release the belt, and this simply just unhook it, and we're gonna replace the belt. There are 3 screws, so we have to remove those screws to take off the cover and get the belt out. Get this old belt out. Make sure you cleaned all those disintegrated belt. I think I have to remove this, so we will have a little space for this end part of the belt, so we can get this out. Yes, we can get this out now. We got the new one, so we will be just reversing the process. Remember, we removed the roller, so we can fit this thing. We'll put back the roller and reinstalled. Let's pull this baby and hook it on that thing, and we will wait for the other end. We'll hook it up there. Now we got the other end hook up. It's time to make sure all the belt is not twisted. Alright. Now we'll just put the nut here. Now it's time to adjust the tension. More. Now for the final test, let's open the garage. There you go, it's built. Tension is good. Very good. Right there. Okay, now you have replaced your belt on your own.